This is the first lesson, chapter 7, how to graph linear equation. First, what is the meaning of linear equation? Linear equation contains between x and y, and the highest power for x and y, or the power for x and y, power 1. For example, y equals 2x, y power 1 and x power 1. So this is called linear equation. Y equals 3x minus 1, linear equation. Okay? Y equals 5x plus 4, linear equation. So the power of x and y, just power 1. But for example, if we have y equal x squared, this is a quadratic equation. Okay? Because we have power 2. Y equal x power 3, cubic equation. Power 3. Okay? So today we know how to draw linear equation. How to represent linear equation. If we start with y equal to x. Y equals to x. How to graph this equation? We need points. So you can make table. Yes. After we finish, we can write. The linear equation represented by straight line. So to draw the straight line, we need points. So for example, you can put x equal 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, 5, and so on. Now you can find the corresponding value for y. If x equal 1, y equals what? 2 times 1, so 2. Now if x equal 2, 4. If x equal 3, and then, okay. Now how to draw? Draw x-axis with your ruler. This x-axis. Because x and y positive, so we can draw the first quadrant only. You don't need to draw all the quadrants. Number 2, copy and complete the table for the equation y equal 4x minus 2. So first, how to complete the table? You have x equal negative 1, 0, 1, 2. To find y, listen, to find y, you can find in 2 steps. So multiply x by 4, then subtract 2. Multiply x by 4, then subtract 2. So if you multiply x by 4, negative 1 times 4, negative 1 times 4 equals negative 4. Then 1 times 4, 2 times 4. After we multiply x by 4, subtract 2. Subtract 2. So negative 4 minus 2. Negative 4 minus 2 equal negative 6. It's done for you. Now 4 minus 2, 8 minus 2.
6.
Okay? Understood how to complete the table? This number 2? Okay, I'll check now. Yes, if you finish. Now for number 2B, draw a coordinated grid numbering x-axis from negative 1 to 2 and y-axis from negative 7 to 7. Okay. So x-axis from negative 1 to 2. X-axis from negative 1 this x-axis from negative 1 to 2. So negative 1, 0, 1, 2. Because from negative 1 to 2. Y-axis from negative 7 to 7. So from the origin at 0, draw the y-axis. And from negative 7 to 7. So above x-axis 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, and negative 7. Okay? This y-axis and this x-axis. Okay? Now for the points. The first point, negative 1, negative 6. Negative 1, negative 6. So negative 1, negative 6, this is the point. This is the first point. Okay? Negative 1, negative 6, this is the point. Negative 1, negative 6. Okay? Negative 1, negative 6. The second point, 0, negative 2. 0, negative 2. 0, negative 2. Then 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. The last point, 2 and 6. 2 and 6. Now join them. Have you finished number 2? Yes. If you finish number 2, number 3. Jumana. Have you finished number 2? Finish number 2. Three. 4. Number 2 done? Okay, number 3. Number 3, look for number 3, stop writing. Copy and complete the table for the equation y equal 8 minus x. Now you have x, negative 2, 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. How to find 8? Y. To find y, 8 minus x. 8 minus x. You can use your calculator to find the answer. Listen, you can use your calculator to find the answer. For the first one, 8 minus x, this means 8 minus negative 2. So 8 plus 2, because minus negative, this plus. So you can use your calculator if you struggle with that one. So 8 minus negative 2, this means 8 plus 2, so equals 10. Okay? Now next, 8 minus 2. 8 minus 4. 8 minus 6. 8 minus 8. Okay? For 4a, y equals 2x minus 1. So how to set the table?
2x and then -1.
Guys, listen. I need 3 points to draw the line. So this x and y. You can take any 3 values. 1, 2, 3, negative 1, 0, 1, negative 2, 0, 2. You have a choice. Just choose 3 possible values for x. So you can choose 1, 2, 3, or 0, 1, 2, or negative 1, 0, 1. You have a choice. Okay? Now for each value for x, can you find y?
Yes.
How to find y? Substitute x by 1. So 2 times 1 equals 2 minus 1.
1.
So if x equal 1, y equals 1. Any 3 numbers. Okay? For x equal 2, put x, substitute x by 2. 2 times 2.
4.
4 minus 1.
3.
4 minus 1 equals 3. For x equal 3. 2 multiplied 3.
6.
6 minus 1.
5.
So 5. So that's enough. Okay? So 1 and 1. 2 and 3. 3 and 5. Now how to draw x-axis and y-axis? This x-axis and this y-axis. X-axis we need 3 numbers. 1, 2, okay. Listen, for x-axis we have 0, 1, 2, 3. For y-axis, we need till 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The first point 1 and 1. The second point 2 and 3. The last point 3 and 5. Now draw the line. So this is the line.